Every business today is a digital business, and customer experience is a crucial metric that defines its success. Users today expect shorter wait times for the features that they need. In such a scenario, the speed of feature release is of utmost importance. This means your developers need a faster feedback loop to fix bugs quickly. Not to mention, the increased complexity in provisioning test execution environments makes it harder to implement test automation at scale. What you need is an enterprise-grade testing platform that fits in your CI/CD pipeline that is fast, reliable, secure, and scalable to suit your growing business needs. Introducing LambdaTest's smart and integrated enterprise execution environment, 𝐕𝐢𝐝. LambdaTest's 𝐕𝐢𝐝, powered by our intelligent end-to-end test orchestration platform, HyperExecute, enables teams to run tests intelligently through the CI/CD pipeline up to 70% faster, thereby accelerating release velocity. 𝐕𝐢𝐝's just-in-time orchestration will replace multiple execution environments with a single LambdaTest environment and become the digital highway for all your testing-related needs. 𝐕𝐢𝐝, built on Azure, can execute tests across frameworks, tools, languages, devices, browsers, or APIs at blazing fast speed under a unified execution environment. With intelligent insights such as smart test observability, flaky test management, smart test selection, error categorization, and more, the 𝐕𝐢𝐝 platform will do the heavy lifting, allowing teams to focus on other important tasks. Moreover, the smart platform comes with 120+ integrations, including Azure DevOps, Playwright, GitHub, Microsoft Teams, VS Code, Azure Key Vault, and many more. Over 10,000 enterprise customers and 2+ million users across 130+ countries rely on LambdaTest for their testing needs. Try it now.